Hey guys, welcome back to our deep dive into Shakespeare's Othello. Today we are going to explore Act 1, Scene 2. This scene is also packed with tension, character development, and crucial themes that will set the stage for the rest of the play. Let's get started. The scene shifts to the another street in Venice, this time near Othello's house. Here, Iago arrives to warn Othello that Brabantio is on his way, furious about Othello's marriage to Desdemona. But remember, Iago is not really loyal to Othello. He is manipulating the situation for his own gain. However, Othello remains calm and confident. It shows his dignified and composed nature. He believes in his own oath and the justice of his marriage to Desdemona. He mentions that his service to the state, his noble birth, and his genuine love for Desdemona will protect him from any consequence. Meanwhile, Cassio arrives with an urgent message from the Duke of Venice. There is a crisis in Cyprus involving a Turkish fleet, and the Duke needs Othello urgently. But before they are leave, Brabantio, Rodrigo, and their men arrive to confront Othello. Brabantio accuses Othello of using witchcraft to seduce Desdemona, claiming she would never marry him willingly. Othello handles this confrontation with grace and dignity. He insists on answering Brabantio's charge openly and honestly in front of the Duke. Brabantio agrees, and they all head to the Duke's council to resolve the matter. Critical analysis. Now let's analyze the scene and see why it's so important. First, character developments. Othello's calm and noble demeanor contrasts sharply with Iago's deceitful and manipulative behavior. Othello's confidence in his honor and the justice of his marriage shows his integrity and strength. Iago, meanwhile, continues to play the loyal ensign while secretly plotting against Othello. According to Harold Bloom, a renowned literary critic, Iago is Shakespeare's most consummate villain, emphasizing his skill in manipulation and deceit. Bloom insights highlights the danger that Iago poses to Othello, who remains unaware of the true nature of his ensign. Next, let's talk about the themes of race and identity. Brabantio's accusation of witchful craft reflect the societal prejudices of the time. He can't believe that Desdemona would marry Othello willingly, suggesting that Othello's race makes him an unsuitable match for his daughter. This tension between Othello's noble qualities and the societal prejudices is a central theme in the play. Edward, a leading figure in post-colonial studies, points out that Brabantio's language reflects the deep-seated racial anxieties of the Elizabethan era. His analysis underscores the play's exploration of race and otherness, adding depth to our understanding of the societal challenge Othello faces. Foreshadowing is also significant here. Othello's belief in his own virtue and service to the state foreshadows his tragic flaw, his unwavering trust in his judgment and those around him. This trust will later be exploited by Iago. Finally, conflict and tension. This scene sets up the central conflict between Othello and Brabantio, as well as the larger conflict involving the Turkish threat to Cyprus. The urgency of the Duke's summons adds to the tension as Othello must now defend his marriage while also preparing to lead the Venetian forces. In short, Act 1, Scene 2 effectively builds the play's tension and introduces key themes and character dynamics. Othello's noble character is contrasted with Iago's deceit, setting the stage for the tragic events that will unfold. The scene is also highlights the societal prejudices that Othello faces, adding depth to the play's exploration of race and identity. Thank you for joining today's lecture. I hope this summary and analysis of Act 1, Scene 2 has provided you with a deeper understanding of the play. But what's your thoughts on this scene? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in depth literary analysis. See you soon in the next class.